Madam President, Your Excellencies, the Fourth World Conference marks a significant turning point in the global agenda for gender equality. This is a celebration of the invaluable contributions that women make in our lives. With high toll of social crimes, violence and discrimination, the values of respect, gender equality and women's empowerment must be embodied in societies, in our homes and in our workplaces. This is the avenue to which their grievances, most of which go unnoticed, are amplified, and it must begin with us as leaders, the political will and accountability to ensure that women are treated with respect and honor. Women comprise more than half the world's population. Therefore, the promise of empowerment and equality should not be a debate. Their role is unparalleled in these unprecedented times. They hold the fort in times of peace and conflict, in times of drought and downpour. Our objectives for the advancement of women focus on key areas of poverty, education, health, capacity building, violence against women, women and armed conflict, women and the economy, women in power and decision-making, human rights of women, women and the media, women and environment, and the right and the girl child. Fiji is making progress on its commitment to inclusive environment ensuring gender equality through family law reforms, adopting such laws as the Fiji Domestic Violence Act of 2009, the Child Welfare Act of 2010, and the Employment Relations Act, as well as other national regulations addressing violence against women, child protection, and employment rights. Fiji's current legal and institutional framework provide adequate protection for women and girls, enabling the government, institutions, and authorities to address discrimination and hold perpetrators accountable.